iyo studio ziba zateguye z'abari nka miliyoni, ariko ubundi uyu mwaka mwaretse tugashinga yacu izajya ibyikorera ikabyikorana cyaza se ko mutazinguka. Paramount Skylines Corporation Domain Entertainment cyabanyitaga Heza Simba. Tugiye kureba filime ya mbere y'uyu mwaka 2026, siyo ya mbere ngoze mwibaza impamvu tangire hakuno ne filime witonza ahantu mu ruganda sinzi umugabo ureba gutyo to nako narakaye uja nubwo ndi kubasa wenda ngo muvure byihariye nako ngo mumfate byihariye oya ndi kubingira sonye umwana hano mu kazi waravuze ngo nari umwe mu bakozi bawe wari umwe nyine wahoze narebaga yuko mwampa akazi nanone basi nimba mutama akazi mbabarira umbwira diplome ye barayiciye basi mbabarira untangire message nziza kwa kundi umuntu agutangira ubuhamya bwiza basi untangire ubuhamya bwiza bamvane kuri blacklist nyine ubu nta hantu na hamwe yembere gusaba akazi urongera kuvuga ibyo bintu ndagushota n'urwo rwana rwawe basohorane hano kubazanya hano umwana wumvaga biri bunkore ku mutima kwa mwaka nkeneye akazi meze nabi umwana wanje amasi cyumwera arwaye oya ibyo ntago bikora kuri ikigabo kiri hano cy'ikigome kimeze nka King Panda ntago ndi ikigoryi cyo kujya kuvuga ibyo bintu byibura bwarimwe pose ufite umwana wawe intoryi zawe nizigeze zishirira sibyo warabyaye bifate nkaho watsinze umupira bye urabeho ndakwiyomye azana umwana urwaye mu biro byanje nta nizo uzi n'ikiri ntago nazanye umwana wanje hano kugira ngo wumve wishinze icyaha cy'uko mwanyirukanishije mukangira no ku rutonde rw'abantu bategeka gusaba kazi hakuno impamvu nazanye umwana wanje nkaza mwitwaje byaro kugira ngo nze kubura ukuntu ngukubita naho ubundi nakabaye ngushose nkagukura nk'irye uyu ni wowe wese wavugaga ngo ntiwarakaye nuko umeze iyo utarakaye hakuno umugabo akazi ubushomeri bumeze n'abafite umwana urwaye we musore ukomeye ari kugenda hano arebye kuri televiziyo abona hari publicity iri gucaho uri umugabo wumva atanga ibintu byose aya niyo mahirwe yawe ya nyuma kugira ngo uyu mwaka utagupfira ubusa ujya gukina amasiganwa cyangwa amarushanwa ya Running Man n'amasiganwa bayi ubashije gutsinda aba bagabo baba bambaye imikaro ukabakwepa ukwezi kose kukarangira uhita ugenda utsindiye biliyoni y'idolari nyagasani ibiceri byinshi kandi umugabo ni umukene ubundi baravuga ngo amafaranga ni umuzi w'ikibi cyose dore abampigi baba barimo do magon nafashe se niba mubishoboye mwabikora kimwe nabagiyeyo nabagiye muri Running Man mutaza kugira gute mutaza guhomba kureba amasiganwa ya nyuma y'iyi season amasiganwa ngo yitwa Running Man iyo ubashije kujya muri ayo masiganwa ugenda wihisha abantu bari kugwiga ariko iyo bagufashe barakwica gutsindira biliyoni y'idolari umugabo kandi arakena ihangane mwana wanje papa ntago ari umusazi bingana kuriya ku buryo najya muri ariya masiganwa humura reka mugabo uri hano natashye mu rugo arabanza atunganya ibikoresho by'umwana mfite akana karwaye kandi igishomeri kimeze nabi arakennye kwa kuntu ubudacunganwa n'igihumbi mu mufuka nacyo ntacyo komeza kureba kuri televiziyo ariko iyi fata telekomande urebe kureba hakuno haba hari indi mikino y'urusimbi hakuno bazana amasiganwa umuntu akirukanka yabasha gucamo hano namwe murabyumva batsinda ibiceri papa ari kubireba ni bya bikino n'ubundi ni bya kazungu narara byose ni kimwe ako mwabonye umwaka muwinjiramo neza ngiye ko ntari impari umwaka mwawinjiramo ntari ku isi ntago nari impari hari utuntu nari ndimo nari naragiye kubategurira iwanyu aho muzaza hakuno umugabo hakuno bari kureba imikino yose y'amahirwe ngareba kwa kundi nyine byanga ugashakira mu kadege kwa kundi byanga ugashakira mu kadege muri ka konkoro hakuno abafongoza nawe Neba ari mwaranje toto neba hariyo.
Next question for one.
Ikibazo gikurikiyeho. Ugitsinda araza gutsindira igihumbi cy'amadolari. Ariya na amafaranga menshi umugabo yake.
Net Air Flying V luxury jetliner have.
Bamubaza ibintu.
A4, B5 or C6.
Tough one. Say B, bud.
Musa subiza ngo B. Ni A.
She said.
Ikibabaje rero ni si. Hakuno ubwo uratsinzwe bira.
We're full of shit than Daddy thought.
Hakuno mwana wanjye ubona ukuntu abakira ari ibigoryi ni umugabo uri kuganiriza akana nimba mama w'akana bari hehe. Hakuno.
But in my hand is the
umusa mu kiganza cyanjye mfitemo agapapuro. Kariho ibibazo sibyo ibisubizo.
Your life. Who invented the pepperoni?
Ninde wavumbuye pepperoni? Hakuno.
Hardly knew ya.
Oh, okay.
Nageze mu rugo natashye kumbe hakuno na madamu afite umugore. Umwana ameze gute mama akana kararwaye. Ameze gute mama? Umwana ari gutwika babyita kugira gute harya? Guhinda umuriro. Siko numva muvuga mu kinyarwanda. Ari guhinda umuriro ari gutwika. Mami akana kararwaye.
She's hurt.
Umwana ari kubabara. Ibi bintu ntago ari sawa. Bitonyanga bibiri hakuno n'uduti tw'amagendo sinzi aba yazivanye.
Look, I know.
Molly said he would have real farms, damn it, real flu meds.
Molly yatubwiye ko azadushakira imiti ya
Well, a little black market buddy has all the stuff.
ese uzikiri ya miti abagiye kuyigura muri farumasi ya miti yataye igihe bimusaba kanya nayo kugira ngo ayihiga yibone.
Kill people, but it's so down to the things.
Biriya bintu byica abantu iriya miti baba barajugunye rero wimbwira gutyo unankira agahato bitware gace umugore.
All right.
Hakuno umwana.
This stuff doesn't make her better, babe.
Iyi miti ntago iri
It
kumukiza.
makes her feel better.
Ariko byiburi tuma yumva ameze
Put
neza.
another double at that hellhole club, and if it
Nari
wasn't,
nasabye yuko banyongerera shift ku kazi nkajya njya gukora muri club nkareba ko nakwinjiza amafaranga byikubye kabiri.
dead in the morning, I'd still be there. So that's what
Ibizajya bigera mu gitondo ntarapfa ubwo nyine nzajya mbagihana.
for today.
Hakuno mugabo biranga navuganye na Molly.
What you did?
Kuki mwavuganye?
Who watched Kathy?
Took her with me,
Ninde wari uri kureba umwana twajyanye?
you know. Guilt trip him.
No, you took her so you wouldn't beat the crap out of him.
Iyo utajyanye umwana ndabizi wari kumukubita.
I left my
Wakoze akantu k'ubwenge.
pride at the door. I was
Ubwibone bwanje nabusize ku muryango.
respectful.
Nagiye namwubashye peni wa mugabo yagiye gusaba akazi. Sori ntazababeshya ntago ari mubi.
Got a little heated at the end, but
Wenda nyuma naje kurakara nyine yego ariko
by then it was game over.
narakaye n'ubundi ntacyo
No
kurengera
one
kigira.
has to win.
Bivuze ngo ntago badushaka ko dutsinda. Nta kintu bashaka ko twageraho.
I'm sorry,
Babarire mwana. Babarire.
I tried.
Hey,
Gusa nagerageje.
just
Akazi kawe.
punished for being a good man.
Ese ntukihane ngo wirenganyirize amakosa yo kubura umugabo
Just
mwiza.
standing up for you guys.
It just didn't seem
Wabaye hano ku bwacu iteka ryose.
right, you know. I got to be a dad and they didn't.
Ben, none of this is your fault.
Doesn't change our situation.
Ben ibi byose nta kosa ryawe na rimwe ririmo. Ariko n'ubundi ntacyo bihindura ku kuri guhari. Turakennye, umwana ararwaye, nije papa mu rugo, nta kintu ndi kuzana ubwo se kuba atari amakosa yanjye ahubwo ni hebya atari amakosa yanjye.
But we're in this together,
Ariko
right?
ibi tubiri kumwe mosheri. Sibyo? Sawa. Dakana karemye.
Think of something.
Turaza gushaka ikindi kintu twakora. Turaza gutekereza ikindi kintu.
Yes.
Hakuno. Ihangane mwana wanjye ihangane mwana.
Sorry.
Isogisi ry'uyu mwana ririhe?
Ben, those take forever to make.
No, it was on when we got home. Hold on. It's here.
Wabona isogisi waritaye ubwo wacanaga umwana ujya cyari riri hano ariko uza gushaka isogisi ry'umwana to uza gushaka isogisi
Kick that off.
akana w'isogisi warishose rigwa he kana kambaye isogisi
Don't
rimwe
worry. Dad's gonna find it.
humura wigira ikibazo isogisi ryenda ribona
Honey, are you
Ivano.
back to the Libertine?
ese ugiye gusubira muri Libertine
Want to,
nanjye ntabwo mbyifuze
Said that place was dead in the morning.
nari nzi ko wambwiye ko ari hano tu
except for the most desperate, wasted losers.
nubwo haba hariyo abagabo b'ibigoryi byacanze b'abahombyi ariko ni abakire tubakeneye
Get
amafaranga
tips out of these guys.
ndetse umukobwa dukorana yambwiye ukuntu bariya bagabo najya mbavanamo make ya tipu nyine
The waitresses
namwe murabizi hari ukuntu mu kabari bavuga ngo uriya mugabo shasa atanga tipu abaseriveri bose barwanira kumwakira
do it all the time.
No.
Look, if these jerks can splash 50 indie per bottle, they can
uzi yuko atanga tipu y'amadolari 50 kuri buri cupa
actually save a kid's life.
Babe, I
kandi ayo madolari yatabara ubuzima bw'umwana wacu
can't let you do that.
Ben,
ntabwo natuma ubikora ngo ujye gukora muri kariya kabari mu masaha nijoro
she is burning up.
beni umwana ari gutwika nayo kumugurira imiti igabanya umuriro twayabuze
My friend makes 20 new every shift, usually from just one customer.
byibura ngende ndebe ko nasaka umukiriya umwe mwana inshuti yanjye igivanayo uduceri twinshi
Hey, now,
Come on.
you know I'd never do that.
urabizi ko biriya bintu ntabikora nimba ukeka ko agiye kugucinya
My friend doesn't even let her grab her ass.
inshuti yanjye ntigituma banayikora no ku kibuno
Charms him into tipping for something that's not on sale, and right now it's prime
aragenda nyine agasekera abagabo akabareshya bakamuha tipu n'ibyo ngibyo
time for that kind of
No,
play.
if the wrong exec thinks that you ripped him off, you could end
icyo nicyo kibazo rero
up in the dump like
byazarangira nawe ubaye nawe wisanze uri mu mwanda utazi uwo ari
that girl across the street. I'm sorry.
cyangwa ukamera nk'uriya mukobwa utuye hakurya y'umuhanda uriya duteganye
These men
Babarira.
are savages.
bariya bagabo muba mujya guseriva nijoro ni ibisazi ni ibigoryi
Farms from a real doc. She won't survive
uriya
another.
mwana wacu akeneye imiti dukeneye kumujyana kwa muganga
Tonight.
wa nyawe ibyo uri kwigira ni
Have a
ibyo
choice.
kandi nta yandi mahitamo mugabo yarebye hakuno kuri televiziyo amahitamo arahari.
Where are you going?
Wagiye kuki kiye gushaka amafaranga.
Her to see a real doc before bed.
Amafaranga ahagije kandi ari buze gufasha umwana wacu mbere yuko bucya akaba yageze kwa muganga. Ukore kureba hano abona muri televiziyo bari gushyiraho publicité y'amasiganwa agiye kuba nimba ari amarushanwa nimba ari iki aho umuntu uzatsinda azahembwa biliyoni y'idolari.
Chances? People on that show never come back.
Ben, ndakwinginze abantu bagiye muri ariya marushanwa ntibajya bagaruka utayagira.
Running man.
Ntabwo ndi ikigoryi cyo kujya kwirukanga muri running man. Igenda biyobewe. Amasiganwa nimba twabyita amasiganwa nimba twabyita amarushanwa. Ni umukino nyine. Aho uja mu mukino bagashyiraho abantu baguhiga warokoka iminsi 30 bakaguhemba biliyoni y'idolari. Ariko bagufata bakakwica. Byanyabyo.
There's a ton of other shows. Look.
We hari izindi show nyinshi nagenda gakoreramo amafaranga apaniriye show.
One today, $75 new. I get on one of those.
Yagiye areba ahantu bagiye bakorera amafaranga ukuntu bagenda bakora abakinira imikino hirya no hino.
People on these games get hurt too, like
ariko abantu bari muri iyi mikino nabo bajya babibabariramo nubwo atari running man.
Next the kind of jobs I work.
We ni ukubera ikibazo cy'umwana turaza gushaka uburyo ikindi curo nzashaka akazi. Ufashiri.
Promise me you won't go on that show.
Basi nsezeranya ko utari buze kujya muri iriya show. Ya running man. Ndagusezeranya.
I'll get you out of here.
Ndagusezeranya ko ndi bukuvane hano. Hey. Agasani. Kaburi hano. Akakana se babana nk'umugore. Churubaro. Churubaro. Je niyo mba ndi kwitekerereza. Rata mwamwe umubona tudatekereza kimwe ngiramwe. Hakuno nta kindi cyabaye. Ngabo yasohotse muhira. Turagukenesha ri. Wicunge ibyo ujyamo byose wicunge turacyagukeneye. Ni umugabo n'umukene mu rugo famille ubukenewe. Churubaro. Ndagaswira. Hakuno Paramount Pictures presents izina rya filmu ntabwo turaritangira ntabwo turaritangira bafatanyije na Domain Entertainment ufatanye na Gaheza Simba. Niba ushaka kwamamaza nimero yanjye ni 078 022 4403 cyangwa 078 21 29 503. Hakuno The Running Man niryo zina rya filime ni umugabo uri kwirukanka ukizwa n'amaguru. Ubundi mu magambo make reka filime tuyite maguru ya sarwaye sibyo byiza. Ko numva uyu mwaka ariko ntazawumara. Nyamara mu nsengere ndabona bikomeye. Kandi ikindi kintu uyu mwaka nurangira ntakize na leta ibyumva. Tuzabane mu mahoro ntizamvangire dore. Mwaka ni wo wanyuma wo gukora ibintu byemewe na leta. Ubwo nimba ntakize zakurikiraho nyine namwe murabyumva. Hakuno umugabo yavuye mu rugo mu kito. Yavuye hakuno ahantu yaje hari kamera zimeze gutyo ku rutaza. Vuga iki kugenza hano.
Network building. Tryouts.
Proceed to your
Yenje mu magerageza. Komeza werekeza yunjiye hari umujyi winjiramo bakagutera na za sanitizer baza kwanduza abakiri ibyo birwara by'iwanyu batindi byinda n'imbaraga sa n'ibinyamugera ntago baba babishaka. Reka hakuno abo yavuyeyo cira mu kandi kaciki kari hano. Bitekerezaho gake gake. Ako ntago mwahara kuntuka. Gani warwana nabonye. Ntago mwahara. Hano mu mazi iminsi munyandikira kuri Instagram umuntu ngo Gaheza wanza akazi nayo sinzo nabonye. Mwese mukomeze imbere kandi mufunge iminwa. Hejuru umuntu wicara hasi. Mukomeze imbere. Hakuna abakene babaje gusaba akazi ni benshi. Dore umurongo do. Umushomeri mumeze nabi ya goddamn broke. Niko. Utazi kimuhatse ngareba iki harya. Mugabo kugerano yabonye agasogisi k'umwana kari mu mupira yagiye yambaye do. Kugerano musaza waje hano. Agerageza umusaza hano. Musaza ameze nabi we. Uyu musaza akeneye ubufasha we turakuyamye mu Rwanda. Nakubwiye ngo subira inyuma. Vanotiza. Mugabo hakuno do. Kubita. Uratabara wabitumwe nandi hakuno. Mwe mukomeza mugende mwabara mwe hano nta kintu cyo kubona. Subira mu murongo wanyu. Kigori kiwe. Mwese mupfunze iminwa garuka inyuma. Urebe. yigize Yesu nyine arabambwa. Iyo wigize Yesu urabambwa, ibyo bintu simubizi se. Kabo hakuno.
Next.
Ukurikiyeho hakuno.
Tap each page to confirm the information is correct.
Tapinga kuri buri page tubone yuko ugenda wemeza ko amakuru waduhaye ariyo ukomfirima.
What's the triangle mean?
Iriya triangle iravuga iki kariya ka mpande
I'll read it to you, it'll be faster.
Reka mbigusomere nibwo byihuta.
Ben Richards,
Ben Richards,
35,
ufite imyaka 35,
married.
ufite umugore.
Employment history, hired by CGen, fired for
aho yakoze mbere yakoreye muri CGen baza kumwirukana for insubordination kubera gusuzugura abamukuriye.
Why is there a red triangle on my file?
Ariko kubera iki kuri document yanjye mbona hariho ka mpande 3 gatukura.
Hired by net utility.
Ndabona aragiye gukora no muri net utility.
Hey man, I asked you a question.
Wendi kukubaza wa mugabo we.
Insubordination.
Bakwirukanira nabwo gusuzugura inzego, sibyo? Insubordination.
Hired by defense net, birth of daughter.
Waje nanone kongera gukora muri defense net.
Fired for
kubyara n'umwana w'umukobwa.
Insubordination.
Bakwirukanira nabwo gusuzugura inzego, insubordination.
Poor kid.
Yararakara. Rep.
To stop me from choking you out.
We mbabarira udatuma nkunika, sibyo? Mumwohereze hejuru.
Elevator 6.
Genda uje muri esanseri ya 6. Hakuno. Uje muri esanseri ya 6. Nimba ari kujya hehe? Ni ahantu yaje gusaba akazi sinzi. Baba baje gusaba akazi ni benshi ubushomeri bumeze.
Hey.
Ari hano, we. Yahuye n'umukobwa hano umeze nka DJ ntuza.
Go up 27, right?
Yeah.
29, neighbor?
Mwana, harya se utuye ku nzu 27. Cyenuye ku nzu 28 turi abaturanyi.
Ben.
Je banyita Ben.
Alright, Ben.
Sawa Ben we. Umukobwa bahuye hano do. Dore kwafi. Ibintu by'ibinyogosho by'ibirokoke biba bihirimanga. Bimwe bya kasuku Jayisquiza.
We got the cash if you've got the balls.
Hakuno.
Don't.
Right. Yeah.
Harundi bahuriye muri esanseri.
I'm Tim.
Je banyita Tim.
Tim.
Tim byanditse.
Jansky's my last.
Banyita Tim Jansky.
Name and Tim.
Jansky nyine na akazina kanjye ka kabiri.
Is short for Timothy.
Urumva banahiriye ka Timothy. Nabyumvishe.
Should we all go around and say our names and a fun fact?
Twese se turagenda tuzenguruka tuvuga amazina yacu hano cyangwa. Hakuno. Rebe. Naho baje kugera hano. Ari ama competition menshi batsindiramo ibiceri. Nawe yaje muri competition imwe muri kugera hakuno do. Hakuno bakabanza bagakora umwitozo turebe ko ufite igihanto kutakujyana mu bintu udashoboye. Cya gukora ibintu udashoboye wapi rwose. Hakuno. Musore. Babajyana mu myitozo hakuno. Uzana umuzanga usigara. Sinzi. Filime witonze umusore hakuno. Bari kubajyana mu myitozo kurira hakuno kuba wakurira nk'umusozi cyangwa iki bibaye ngombwa. Jazano aruwari ugera musa mu musore aramutabara do. Ndagufite mwana. Ariko umusore afite ibintu aba yibuka byigeze kuba kera sinzi nimba mubibonye. Abandi murakomeza mu masegonda 30. Musa wakoze mwana. Ntabwo byari ngombwa ko ari untabara. Oya nta kibazo ntarimo. Ribeshya mu kigo hano ntabwo bajya batabara abantu.
Useless.
Technology.
Abuse.
Yaje hakuno mu yindi office babanza kumusuzuma no mu mutwe barebe ko udafitemo ibijagu.
Heroism.
Kwigira intwari ntacyo bimaze.
Technology.
Abuse.
Nayo irakabye.
Freedom.
Kwishyira ukizana se.
No.
Ntabyo mfite ntabyo.
Authority.
Inshingano. Ibintu byose byaraza.
When?
Hakuno do.
Hilarious.
Family.
Umuryango. Tekerezaho. Umuryango ni buri kimwe.
Next, what do you see?
Iyi foto uri kubona iki?
Puppy ever.
Ndi kubona ikibwana cy'imbwa cyiza.
What about this one?
Hanyuma singiye.
Oh, it's my favorite flower. Giving me a hug.
Ndi kubona ari ururabo rwanjye nkunda ruri ku mpobe. Hakuno do.
Final image. Tell me
ishusho
about
yanyuma
it.
bwira iki ni iki?
Infinite bunnies.
Ndi kubona ari inkwavu zitarangira.
Getting sucked into a knife tornado.
Zimeze nk'iri ziri gukaragwa n'icyuma. Ziri bari kuzikaraga ku cyuma. Bimeze nk'ari tornado.
Blood all over the galaxy.
Amaraso ari kwikaraga mu kirere nyine kwa kuri tornado isata ry'umuyaga. Bimeze nk'ari isata ry'umuyaga wuzuzuyemo inkwavu ziri gucikagurika imitwe amaraso nyine kiri kuvuga ibintu biterekeranye bitamaye agaciro.
And Mr. Richards, you are quantifiably the angriest man to ever.
Bisa nk'aho ari we mugabo wa mbere ukiri umujinya mu bantu bose twigeze twakira muri izi show zacu.
Well, that really pisses me off.
Ibyo rero nabyo birandakaje ahubwo. Hakuno komeza imbere. Umugabo nimba we yaje gukina yaye marushanwa gusa yavuze ngo ntago yakina The Running Man.
Our jumpsuits are in here.
Kubona jumpsuits zacu ziri hano. Ya myenda abantu basimbuka mu ndege baba bambaye. Buri muntu wese afatiwe umwenda umukwiriye aho ngaho igisubiti kimukwiriye. Hanyuma muhindure mwambari. Hakuno. Ebe. Kambara hakuno. Richard we.
It would be us, man.
Nari mbizi ko turi buze kuba ari twe mwana umusa.
Come on, shit happens, right?
Rimwe na rimwe ibintu bijya biba mwana. Ni wa mukobwa ngo baturanye na wa musore bahuye ngo bita timu. Bisanze bari muri equipe imwe to. Chance Richard.
That's us.
Abo nitwe bahamagaye mwana. Nitwe bwe bahamagaye. Umugabo umenya yaje muri The Running Man ndapfuye.
Add life to your days.
Hakuno to.
Not days to your life.
Hari umugabo uri hano wambaye gutyo bamwita makani twamubonye n'umwe mu bahigi babahiga abantu bashaka kubica. Ntimuze kugira gute ntimuze guhomba amasiganwa ari buze kuba nyuma kuri televiziyo bari kwamamaza show.
I always thought this was fake.
Nahoze ntekereza ko ibi bintu biba ari fake. Mwebwe mugiye kwiruka. Ntago wakwiruka ngo ucike ikigonga kuko none ndi kumva ari ibyanyabyo mwana. Rebe sibyo basoma.
Feeling really osa.
None ndi kumva ibintu ari ibyanyabyo. Rebe hakuno umugabo afite ubwoba yambaye agapfuma kiwe.
Every second, y'all.
Hakuno wa mbere bamucanyo. Rebe
Hey, Dan Richards, never would have made it without you.
Niweho mwana ntago nari kuba nageze hano udahari utanka baracagihe. Hakuno batangira kwerekana amashusho y'abagiye muri The Running Man imbere. Umugabo amenya yagiye muri The Running Man n'igisurubeti yambaye cyanditse inyuguti ya RM Running Man. Cyafite agasogisi k'umwana we.
Hey, so far so good. Don't worry, we'll keep it down.
Rebe hakuno
Mr. Richards?
Mr. Richards nawe arinjira na ofisi bari kwinjiramo hano bagasohoka bakomeza bajya ahandi. Ubundi umuntu w'umugabo ntago yakabaye atinya urupfu kubera ko wasanga wenda urupfu aricyo kintu umuntu acamo agatangira kubaho ubundi buzima tutazi.
Dan
Killian niko banyita.
Relax.
Icara sha. Akabaye bagira amategeko kugira ngo mujye mumenya uko mufata abakire kirazira gusanga umukire muri ofisi ye. Kambagira inama muzabura amafaranga.
Running Man represents a return to the barbarism of
Nubwo abantu benshi bajya bavuga ngo Running Man gira gutya kagarura urugomo mu
the
bantu.
Roman Colosseum.
Ngo nkuko byagendaga kera muri za arena zo mu Baromani ba kera Colosseum, Roman Colosseum hahandi kera ba Spartacus bajyaga barwana n'abandi nkabo. Kera ariko Running Man. Kera ntabwo ndi bukine The Running Man ariko.
Aware of your family crisis.
Nzi ikibazo umuryango wawe ufite cy'ubukene.
And I think the contents of this envelope will help.
Kandi niyo mpamvu muri urwo rwego nkeka ko envelope yagufasha umugabo arakennye.
If we come to an agreement,
je nawe turamutse twemera
yours to keep.
Iyi envelope yabi yawe ukayigumana. Reba hakuno bamukubise $100, $200, $100 akera muri $500.
I'll do any other show.
Oya ndakora indi show bana The Running Man.
One's ever won on another show is 1,000 ND and I know
Nubundi amafaranga mu zindi show batsindira amenshi abari igihumbi.
it sounds like a tremendous sum.
Kandi ndumva ari amafaranga ataguhagije pe.
But it's not enough to get your family out of
Yego na amafaranga nibyo ariko ntagahagije kuba yavana umuryango wawe.
slum.
Muri iriya karitsiye yakwepa kinongo bamwe bitsamura bubitse umutwe ngo ibinongo bitabaguye.
Merely surviving a single week.
Ariko ugiye muri Running Man niyo warokoka icyumweru kimwe.
Put the Richards in the top 1% of global wealth.
Byatuma uzamuka ukajya mu bantu b'abakire ba mbere kuri iyi si Richards we.
For yourself. Page 66.
Irebere kuri page ya 6 aho ngaho muri izo document nkoherereje. Hakuno to. Kuri page ya 6 umaze iminsi 8 ubu maze gutsindira $86,000 by'amadolari. Bitekerezo.
I'm not trying to get myself killed.
Je nago chaka kuza kwicwa mugabo.
I'll be honest with you.
Reka nkubwize ukuri rero mwana Richard. Bwize ukuri nk'umugabo mugenzi.
To every contestant.
Naganiriye n'abantu benshi baje baza gukinira irushanwa rya Running Man biri kugerageza kumwinjizamo kandi yaje gukina andi marushanwa.
First time I've really meant it.
Ariko nibwo bwa mbere ngiye kukubwira ibi bintu mbikomeje byanyabyo. Uranyumva?
You have what it takes to win this game.
Ufite icyo byasaba kugira ngo utsinde uyu mukino.
Our viewers have a burning desire to see a runner go the distance and we've had
abantu bareba ikiganiro cyacu show yacu bamaze igihe kinini batabona umuntu ubasha guhangana ngabe yamara iminsi myinshi.
And come close. 29 days in season 1.
Umuntu wagerageje kugera kuri yamaze iminsi 29 muri season ya mbere kandi ubundi arabari iminsi 30 habuze umunsi umwe kuva icyo gihe.
It's going to take somebody special to go the full.
Nta wundi muntu urakora ibintu nk'ibyo gibyo urumva rero ko biri buze gusaba undi muntu udasanzwe kugira ngo yuzuze iminsi 30.
So I looked through
your kumaze kwibonera amafaranga ukuntu abahagaze
employment history.
Nanjye ndaje nze ndebe muri employment history yawe aho wagiye ukora nimba ufite experience.
And had my assistant shoot me your highlights.
Reka umwunganizi wanjye azabinyoherereze turebe hakuno kumwereka.
the most thrilling 10 seconds of video I've seen all year.
Muri uyu mwaka wose niyo video nubwo ifite amasegonda 10 niyo video iritirira nabonye nyine ishishikaje kuri baranyirukanye hariya
hired by DefenseNet, the best.
Ariko waje gusubira mu kazi DefenseNet baguha akazi
downtown.
Kandi bahemba neza mu
best dog shit, still dog shit.
Ikimbwa yanzu shira hireba mwana ikimbwa bari iki
And why back?
yaje hakuno shakandi hano yacumbi kureba bari kumuhiga bizwe bakune sanseri yaranapfuye do fungo yibaniyemo hagati cyacyaye kuri hano sinzi igikarita yahabonye fayo chega cyo mu gace yitonze ayidero kase kugera n'imbeba nazo zikarimo cyane de souris aziminsi mbona zinyataka agiye mumenya ko umugisha wawe abaru wawunda ari uwundi
Gotta make another one of these tapes.
Gomba gufata indi tape hako.
The guy who followed me.
Iteka naho ze umugabo ugendera ku mategeko. Byiza.
Hasn't done much for me, obviously.
Cyo byigeze bimfasha habe namba.
I mean, I'm on the murder show.
Gerano ibonera urumogi hano muraro baratsimbye utuntu twano kugera nabo ni burako akwibaya.
A grown-ass man playing hide and seek for money.
Nabaye umugabo mukuru ukina ya mikino kwisha tugashakanya nk'abana ariko bikora amafaranga hano gerenade.
Thank you.
Mani shimwe.
I think I'll just lay low.
Nakeka nkeneye kubanza gutuza itadomeka rwara umugihe yasanze hano do. Ahita vana mibiri dore hayi.
Depraved. Demonic.
Kwereka twigarukire kuri free v. Ni sheni cisha iki? Cisha yimache musina isi dore ababirimo cyane yabyivanzemo.
And find out.
Hakuno.
Rich and bold, it's those Americanos.
Kurebano.
How do you like this energy wine? I'm a big fan. Love it. How about
Ako wine urayikunda ndayikunda ndetse cyane.
you, Bill?
Hanyuma se we Bill.
My favorite thing, John.
Hakuno naga hotel yacumbitsemo kureba hasabo n'abagabo babasinzi bamwe babinywera byeri muri karitsiye kuri boutique do.
Why do we all have the same voice?
Ubundi ko iki twese tugira ijwi rimwe. Kurebano.
Relax, Ben.
Amasaha yo kohereza indi mail cyangwa se cya kimesa cya gikasete agiyohereza cya video arabura amasaha 3 n'iminota 5. Ngende kumbe hakuno hari nu uwo byashaguye byiza kongera kukubona Frank do ngende imbeba do uriya mukinga umuntu uri hano ufite ibibazo byo mu mutwe bana n'uburwayi bwo mu mutwe byibura wowe uranavuga umva ari kunuka yego ukuntu ndi kunuka fata agasabune hano shiramo ubusiripa ufite ububuno bubi gusa po
I'll do it in the bathtub. Wait a minute. Great. But we do have to try.
Hakuno.
Da.
Kigali we. Inzu yawe nzayitwika. Hakuno. Taragenda ariko.
We're hugging even every night.
Ariko kureba umugabano.
Hey, Frank.
Frank nawe rero uracanganye. Usazi wibereye hano byajago.
From the running man.
Amakuru atari ivumbi muri running man. Mugabo vayo. Tekereza wa musazi yareba gasi yatangira kumwibuka ariko nkuzi cyaje no kureba bari modoka z'abahigi ziraparitse baje kumuhiga sasa wa musazi wari uri hano hasi n'abagabo bari bigize abasinzi ba muri karitsiye niwe baje guhiga ni babahigi nyagasani ndapfuye tazakuno fungura cobe harafunze do winjano subira mu cyumba cyawe wagisaza witsimba mu mujyi hakuno bahigi baje Chendi kuri kuro ya gatatu on 3 yitayebetamo subiramo indani to shakuno tuwarete sinzi kujya gucamo inyuma harafunze harimo amafera beto bashyizemo amagriage nkeneye kira gikapu nkeneye igikapu cyanje nkeneye igikapu ndakora iki banza kura hakuno kanu kakuma ni kirahure hano kiro bya bishikarete yarari mahekenya akora retroviseur koze retroviseur abacinyuma itazamuka yirukanka
I saw Ben Richards.
Namubonye Ben Richards ari kumanuka hasi yirukanka itazamuka hejuru barangira kari hasi wa itazamuka hejuru zamutse hejuru kuri rooftop y'inyubako geze hejuru nimbaje kwareba ikisinzi maze iminsi ngo ndari kubantu mesinzi gikuba cyari cyacitse ariko ngimihanda yari yacurami se komba nasigiye babahunga ikibuga nkabona nta kintu bari kukimaza kanigarukira imyikorera Ndiyo ntahari mbona hapfa byinshi. Kize gutya. Baje kumuhiga baje. Ebe. Manukiye hakuno. Kigozi kiziritse hejuru amanuka ku nyubako arashaka kumanuka akajya muri afro yiwe. Abagamo kuja kureba igikapu. Hakuno.
Confirming the location. I can reveal to you now. The runner is Ben Richards.
Televiziyo nta kindi iri kuvuga kumena hakuno do. Nabanje imana.
Mr. Richards, top of the top. Find out if he can walk the walk.
Birahure biragwa baramwumva.
3. Chief McCone. The hunters have found their man.
Chief McCone yavuze ko abahigi bamaze kubona umugabo bashaka gato. Hakuru umugabo arabanza arava muri ya esuberi yambuye. Ntaho kwirukanyira nta naho kwisha. Kubera ko bagiye guhiga bamufatiye mu nzu nta hantu ari mu bacikiri. Nta makuru ari gucaho live kuri Free V. Ni sheni icisha iki no mukino bayita Free V. Na za drone kamera zamaze kwinjira mu nyubako do.
Why we play the
Now
we live in a society with rules, a society where actions.
Sano ufatirana ya grenade yitoraguriye.
The hunters posted up outside Richard's room.
Aba n'abahigi bari hanze y'icyumba rishara arimo. Richards arabona icyumba arimo bakimenye. Amasatsu fa y'umugabo atasimbukira ku mugozi ndagiye. Do banuka muricyo biranga kubera iki. Akuno dore Chief McCone uhije mukuru do. Bravo byiza cyane aramupite baje kumuhiga. Anuka mucyo yijugunya mu yindi mfuro sanga umuraro ni kwinywera urugiye rikukuramo ibiri. Yadomitse umusa usiko ndi kukureba kuri ya shoni ya televiziyo yitwa Free V ngwiki.
Better run, Mr. Richards.
Kizwa n'amaguru kugera hakuno bari kumubona ari gukata do. Jabiti sasu umugabo timba hakuno. Fata drone.
Stop filming me.
Yaretse kumfata ibyo bifite ubyanya ariko kimena iki drone. Ahiji bafayo. Esantere na maruka sinzi. Arayibanirongera iripfungura do. Jefte grenade mwana. Shugunyira grenade. Back at you. Kayikiva mu kanwa kanyira usubira n'ibyawe ndapfuye. Shugunya hejuru. Esantere iracika umugabo amanuka muricyo sinzi. Sekura hasi. Sanga muri basement y'inyubako. Kira gutya. Sanga muri basement y'inyubako. Rero sinzi cyane ko yabonye ibintu by'ibita baracana rebe ko yabona urumuri ntago ari kureba hano. Kureba basement isohokera hanze. Kuri hano sinzi byatwitse. Sakuna arabanza arabafungirana. Icyo mugabo akeneye ni ukwimarira iminsi itarani. Hakuna harimo amaparufe atangira guturagurika. Parufe nazo buriya ni gaze zigezemo umuriro ziraturagurika hakuno. Masasu kureba hano abona imbeba. Imbeba ziba zizinjira zapanya. Kurasano barasihombe ya gaze irameneka. Nyagasani atinze mwana araturikiramo. Dore gaze. Hano wagiye guturika mugende mwana gaze baramumva itayimanukira yarababuriye manuka cyo. Manuka mucyo sinzi. Cheze mano. Gaze yaraturitse. Kaboom! Dore inyubako yose iraturika n'abahigi bose bari baje kumuhiga. Kubita hasi muri siwa. Muri amazi, muri amahombo na bya za nzira zijyana amazi mabi yo muri toilette n'ibiki no muri dushe. A1 kureba hano imbeba zamweretse inzira. Imbeba ziba zizi inzira zapanye. Hakuno agomba gutanga afite amasaha atarenze angahe. Hakuno
I'm still here.
Ndacyari hano. Karya amazira no kimwe. Shiriras tayari mu makuru. Amabara yabaye. Aho uyu mugabo yabashije kwica 8 mu barinzi ba network. Hakuno ibintu byose bibereye tayari. filime witonze hakuno hari icyana kiri hano do icyana kiri hano umuntu kiri kureba do rebe
Hey, come on out.
musa zamuka mwana vayo
I know you're here.
ndabizi kuri hano vayo kuki warwana
Get off me.
Chiguka ariko
It wasn't me.
wewe wantanze ntabwo yari
I ain't no rat.
je ntabwo ndi imbeba ntabwo ndi snitch
Go.
tekura ariko
Get big bro to take care of you.
je kuzana mukuru wanje kwiteho
You think your big bro can kick my ass after what I just went through?
urakeka nyuma y'ibyo nanyuzemo mukuru wawe yankubita kanjo
I'm not gonna kick your ass. He's
nagagiye kugukubita mu
gonna save it.
agiye gutabara agatafari ceneye ubufasha hakuno urwana ruri hano
Gotta get off these streets, man.
bantu fe kuri iyi mihanda ariko yahuye n'icana kiri kumubwira ibintu
Zoom's all up in this.
hano hari amabande hari za kamera byose ni amapici
The one's looking for you.
kandi buri muntu wese ari kuguhiga sibyo
Hey.
we
Hey, yo, stay here. I'll be
we kumana ndaje fata cya gikasete cy'umugabo agomba kuripotinga ndagufite mwana Richards cyana cyiza kimutabare kimutangire kasete kuko wageze hano baramwica baramushaka barabizi ko agomba kuhagera jugunya mwana bamweherereza dead gun bonus amadolari 80,000 nyagasani y'amabanda apfiriye hari ahantu biturikiye babaze ko ari ubaturikije tugeze ku munsi wa kangahe wa gatanu umunsi wa gatanu ebe musore waje hakuno aya
Told you.
sinakubwiye se
Ben Richards.
Ben Richards
Revis
musore nimba yarakinnye muri All American harya yakinnye mu ye unyibutse
the live update. How the hell you?
hakuno twitsimbe mwana hakuno ni umwana ngo mukuru nabishyura mwana
Get me off the street for the night.
mukamvana kuri iyi mihanda iri joro kare uraduhereza amadolari 5
We need street meds.
dukeneye imiti yo ku muhanda mwana
My sister got cancer.
rata dufite mushiki wacu urwaye kanseri
Real bad.
kandi ararembye
Make it 10.
okay nimba ari ibyo muyagira 10 nimba mufite mushiki wanyu urwaye ntari bimujye kumugura imiti
God damn.
mumushakira imiti mizima nawe rwaje umwana arabizi uko bimera
Hell of a price on your head.
mwana uzi igiciro kiri ku mutwe wawe
How fast can you run, Richards?
wakwirukanga bingana iki Richards
Faster every day.
giye buri munsi mba nirukanka ariko
Just a shocking amount of destruction here. The NCG on tactical alert.
ikindi cyabaye batangiye gukizwa n'amaguru kuri televiziyo nta kindi kiriho ni amahano umugabo yakoze
The NCG bomb squad is on scene, combing through the rubble for evidence.
abashinzwe gutegurura ibisasu no gupima uko byagenze bahageze
Preliminary reports indicate Richards set off the explosion in the basement.
bavuze yuko Ben Richards ariwe wateze ibiturika muri basement iriya nyubako
His body is yet to be found.
ariko umurambo we ntabwo barawubona abana bamuzanye iwabo tu hano hari akana karwaye baba bari gushyushya ibitoyi n'inshinge n'amapepeti iserenge harya ni senyenge akana karwaye hakuno.
You can set your grandkids up for life with one recording report.
You think the network would rather pay us reward money?
umwana uriya mwana mwamuvuza mwakora nk'akantu kamwe muri ariya marushanwa mukamuvuza urakeka network batwishyura
Make up some bullshit and arrest us.
bahita bagira ibyo badushinza bakadufata
Have to get your sister real forms.
ese wabaha amafaranga ahagije yo kuvuza mushiki wawe
500 new.
reka tuvuge ko mbahaye amadolari 500 y'inote nshyashya
I can get you out of Boston,
nahita nkuvana muri uyu mujyi Boston
but it won't be for money.
ariko ntabwo naba mbikoreye amafaranga mwana musa
This dude ain't going nowhere.
uyu murara n'ubundi nta hantu yajya
Goons got the hood surrounded.
amabandi yazengurutse iyi karitsiye yose
Reality.
rekeraho mwana hakuno hari akana karwaye
Little pinch and everything's gonna be okay.
we ni akantu gatoya ngiye kukujomba uburibwe bugahita bugenda akana karwaye hano
Just
karwaye kanseri
Find out tomorrow night.
akora ishara aracyari muzima cyangwa tuzabimenya ejo hakuno yaza kuzima igiteleviziyo
No, you seem like a smart cat.
mwana umenye uri umuhanga ariko
What made you sign up to be a cog in their
ubundi niki cyatumye ujya gusinyira kuza muri ibi bintu n'izi propaganda zababaga
I'm just trying to take care of my family,
nari ndi kugerageza kwita ku muryango wanjye musore
just like you and your sister.
nk'uko nawe na mushiki wawe bimeze bamwita John
No, my kid was sick.
ubwo umwana wanjye yari arwaye
Sent my wife enough to get her well.
nawoherereje umugore wanjye amafaranga ahagije yo kuvuza umwana
Now I'm trying to win enough to get them out.
none ubu ndi kugerageza gutsindira menshi yo kubavana mu bibazo
She's only 2.
umwana wanjye afite imyaka 2
If
gusa
I do my job,
rero ndamutse nkoze akazi
I'll
kanjye
even remember Slumside.
ntabwo umwana wanjye yazongera kwibuka ngo gutura muri kwepa kinonko ni gute zaricatse we
I can get you past that blockade.
nakurenza ziriya bariyeri zose ziri hano muri uyu
A
mujyi
couple days to set it up, so
ariko biraza kunsaba iminsi mbipange
hot out here in the meantime.
rero ugiye kuba witsibye hano muri iyo minsi
You know, you could go to full 30 if you play smart.
urabizi ko uramutse ukoranye ubwenge iminsi 30 wayimara
And what makes you such an expert?
ni iki kikugira umuhanga kuri urwo rwego musore
Tune in and find out.
we tegereza uzaba ubibona tune in and find out
The pulpit.
urakaza neza muri pulpit sha sore hano afite ikintu cy'igistudio mu rugo tangiye kumwereka amavideo y'abandi bagiye bakina uriya mukino mbere yiwe do.
What goes on behind the scenes of the biggest freebie show of all time?
Ni ibiki bibera inyuma y'amakamera mutajya mubona inyuma y'amarido muri freebie.
Apostle, episode 30.
Akaza neza kuri Apostle episode ya 3 umusore ufite ikiganiro cyiwe n'abajya yikorera.
And distribute. The network has 3 types for every run.
Network ubundi baba bafite abantu b'ubwoko butatu muri buri masiganwa bagiye gutegura.
Type 1, hopeless dude.
Type ya mbere aba ari umuntu udafite ibyiringiro.
Hopeless dude is cursed with a fatal misunderstanding of human nature.
Ni wa muntu utabasha gusobanukirwa kamere y'ikiremwa muntu.
He usually lasts less than 48 hours.
Ntajya arenza amasaha 48. Yari timu baramwishe.
And get me.
Naje mukamfata.
Sir, pal.
Akuno uyu musore agiye afite amavideo y'uburyo bagiye bicwamo nyuma y'amazi.
Type 2, negative dude.
Hanyuma uwa kabiri ni umuntu utabona ibintu nk'uko abandi babiri.
Negative dude knows he ain't got a chance in hell.
Yewe nta n'amahirwe yabona uko byagenda kose. Nimba amaze gutangira gukora ibiciro atangira kubisohokamo ubuzima bwanjye burarenze sha.
By the end of week 1 because he buys too much ass and not enough food.
Impamvu bamwishe nuko yaguze udutafari twinshi akongera ubwenge ubwirukansa. Hakuno uyu nawe murakapfa.
Run her down. Type 3.
Hanyuma umuntu wa gatatu rero.
Oh yeah, final dude.
Wa undi wanyuma final dude.
Final dude has a fierce will to
ni ubufite ubwenge bwabasha kurokoka byibu.
Never wins. The network cheats.
Kubera ko network baramwiba bategura amarushanwa.
They can find anyone anytime.
Ko baba bashaka ko ari we wese aho yaba ari hose kanya kari kukose.
They let him run
13 days and just like
Papa umunsi wa 13
always said
uko papa njye wajyaga bibu.
But you can't catch a ghost.
Wagerageza ariko ni wafata umuzimu na mavideo y'abandi bagiye bakina uriya mukino The Running Man imbere uyu musore ari kumwereka.
By the end of week 2, ratings usually peak.
Oh shit.
The crowd, blood and final dude becomes a victim of his own success.
Baje kumubona hakuno.
From destiny.
Sinzi n'iki byose.
But they never outrun.
Uko yagira kose ntabwo yabasha kubacika. Uwo ni njye makoro.
I'm the running man.
Muri Running Man do. Musya mu bupande pande.
That's game.
Rest in peace.
Is that supposed to inspire me?
Oh, come on, man. Don't you get it? After that escape tonight, live, prime time, you are final dude. Gonna squeeze every last drop of ratings out of your ass. So so negative dude flames out to get somewhere safe, which gives us enough time to set you up for the biggest underdog win in game show.
So where
the hell is safe?
Working on it.
Ben pal, it's been a while.
You sure you know what you're doing?
Guess we'll find out. Package headed your way. Yeah, special delivery as seen on Freebie.
Okay. After you.
And pick up location B. Got it.
Baby. Okay.
abo yaje hano kareba kana karwa kibuka umugore we n'umwana we nicyo cyatumye nabaza muri aya marushanwa.
A 5-year-old get lung cancer.
Ese uriya mwana ugana kuriya ni gute yarwaye kanseri yo mu bihaha?
Radioactive dust.
Ni umukungugu urimo ama radioactive umwana uri mu burozi bwica.
From the Rhode Island explosion.
Kuri Rhode Island haje guturika.
I heard about that.
Ko ntigeze mbyumva.
You never heard of it because the network owns the news.
Impamvu utabyumvishije nuko network ubwereka tubyite nka leta aribo bayobora itangazo makuru barigenera icyo rivuga.
They own that munitions factory just
aribo bagena inganda zikora intwaro.
Like they own the government.
Nibo bafite leta mwana.
Comply with safety regs, right?
Niki cyari gutuma babiraburiza kandi bari bafite umutekano.
That's June got sick.
Nukuri ya mwana Junior rwaye. Yahumetse umwuka uri mu burozi urimo ama radioactive.
Watching execs, not the technicos.
Yaje hakuno yifate video nk'ibisanzwe.
I'm talking to the people in the co-ops.
Cyane kuvuga abantu bakorana na
their job, the squatter tribes.
The kid's getting shot.
Abana bari kurasirwa ku mihanda.
Looking at a goon the wrong way.
Kubera yuko barebye amabandi nabi gusa.
There's something you all need to know.
Hari ikintu kimwe mwese mukeneye kumenya.
The network is giving our kids cancer and they
network iri gutuma abana bacu barwara amakansi. Barangiza bakanabisibanganya. Video agiye koreza mwibuke video bazikisha kuri asheni ya Free V.
I'm still here. You shit eaters.
Nabikora kimwe mwokarya amanuza mwe. Ndacyahari. Ewan.
Ladies and gentlemen,
bagore namwe bagabo.
Last night,
ijoro ryashize
7 men and 1 woman gave their lives to protect
abagabo barindwi n'umugore umwe batanze ubuzima bwabo ngo baturinde
their country only matched by the love for their children.
Kubera urukundo bakunda igihugu cyabo n'abana babo. Hakuno babando uyu mugabo yaturikije nta nubwo ari we babaturikije barashanu hari mitiyo ya gazi irabashwanyaguza ariko bari kubishinzwe.
Someone chose to end the lives of these 8 heroes. And that's
umuntu wagerageje wafashe umwanzuro kurangiza ubuzima bw'aba bantu bw'izi ntwari umunani.
Someone was Ben Richards.
Kandi uwo muntu nawe ni Ben Richards.
His new tape just arrived. Let's see what he has to say about it.
Tape yiwe cyangwa se kasete yifashaho video irahageze reka twumve ibyo avuga.
For all you watching,
not
the execs, not the technicals. If you live in a tower uptown, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the people in the co-ops. The water tribes, the ones who can't get a job. The kids getting shot. They're looking at a goon. Thing you all need to know. I laughed my ass off smoking those goons. Laughing at the screams. I was laughing at their kids. Now you know how it felt when Daddy did it to someone else.
Say that.
About the network.
What kind of world are we living in?
Isi dusigaye tubamo ni bwoko kimwe sinayisi nabivanze mugabo aramubeshyeye kandi birafashe.
Now 20,000 you got.
Sindi cyabaye abana bakomeje gufasha bamuzonye hakuno tu.
It's getting crazy out here.
Hakuno.
Yeah, we gotta roll. You ready?
Ese uriteguye tugende twagiye. Tugende kabisa. Hakuno. Rebe. Zigurcha baradukurikiye mwana baradukurikiye umugabo ari kubyumva ngo abana nimba ari ndubakurikiye sinzi hakuno baracyadukurikiye mwana nje kubumva mwana hakuno umutwe muri putu y'imodoka kandi urimo ibinogo za pothole urimo ibintu by'ibinogo masasa byivangamo Hebe hakuri kureba hakuno abakurikiye kurikiye sinzi ariko baya cyawe fata urupfunguzo rw'ipine kubita hakurya warasigara sinzi ariko ahita afungaho yahita afungaho bigishyushye mwana umuso tugende fata feri
You good?
Meze neza mwana meze neza wagwa barashimye muyasu subira inyuma gonga imbwashukunya hakurya nibere mwana ewa nibikorye turabigonze twijire kureba barabigonze bahita bikomereza imbere abana babiri biyemeje gufasha iki gufasha Ben Richards ngatsinda y'amarushanwa
My pen pal needs a day to prep transport to a shelter. You can trust him with your life. Just don't mention hot dogs around the man.
Amasosiso yapo amasosiso cyangwa sausage nazo ni za hot dogs.
Hot dogs?
Yep. Simvuga ijambo hot dogs.
Go catch that slow train to Maine. Less people in the sticks.
So
keep your head down and don't trust anyone.
This
guy.
Usibye uyu murara wenyine ngutumye abari we wenyine wizeye.
Down for the call.
Bamwita Elton Hardcore.
You really think this will work?
Look, we
check ibintu biraza gukunda.
know they track the envelopes.
Twe turabizi ko batracking ama envelope.
You pre-shoot the rest of your self-tapes, my man.
Kandi urabizi ko ari ama video wifashe mbere tugiye kugenda twohereza.
Head south, drops them on the way while I get safe.
Murara wanje ari kwerekeza mu majyepfo agenda dropping.
The ground, they won't know.
Bivuze ngo hano mu majyaruguru ntawe uri butekereze ko hari nibabona envelope yoherereje mu majyepfo. Ufite icyo kibazo. Musanari nibagiwe.
Just in case.
Mu gihe byaba ngombwa. Mwaya kabunda kakarivoru. Ese mwana musa kubera icyo uri kufasha. Ntabwo wabonye imbaraga bari abantu bafite.
We don't got each other's back. This game's over before it even begins.
Nitudafatikanye uyu mukino uzajya urangira mbere yuko unatangira. Mwana musa. Nabisoje. Richards agomba kuba batangiye campaign. Richards leaves.
The network fakes these self-tapes, but they just do something instead. Dear Diary, I woke up with the blahs today. My regular gig of killing time for a me day.
So I breakfast in bed. Yeah, I blew up a courthouse. I know. Creature of habit. Gonna love to an illegal immigrant sheep. You know how sheep tells you it's horny.
But we'll see you as the last laugh when Macomb catches him lacking. Now, let's see if Miss Laughlin has burned through the last of her running money.
We're still here! Damn, Richard, that's a tough act to follow, but...
Definitely her.
Laughlin, real. Sheep boy's going down.
No way.
I got 10 clams, says Ben Rich next.
Oh, come on.
Piss the network off all the way.
That's why he's gonna win. The guy. Yeah, he's one of us. Take it Final runner. That's a bet. Damn straight.
Seen this Richards guy?
No. But he sounds like quite the character.
He's blind, you fucking idiot.
Me again. Look, here's the real deal. I'm here trying to fight the power. I'm not to have fun. I need to win and get back to my family. See me throwing don't see me at all.
Just in time, Father. It's the best takeout in Maine.
Keep clear. Keep clear. This is a soft-driving vehicle.
Hey, Father.
Paddy.
Can I ask you something?
My
son. I got this girlfriend. Okay.
Okay?
Am I going to hell for using rubbers?
He will go for not using them. I have 10 brothers and sisters. My father said he was in hell every single day.
Thanks,
Father. Have a good night. Careful out there.
Who stops me from seeing my daughter again?
amukurikiye amukurikiye avuye hakuno cyo kwitira padiri ntabwo twe itarenga senyenge hakuno ari kumuhiga baje kira gutya umusore yamukurikiye itayijugunya muri gari ya moshi hakuno jugunya muri gari ya moshi hakuno itayivamo ajya mu yindi garuka inyuma.
Fuck you, Richards! Die!
Kijari shawo kapfa wepfa ibyupfa tugeze ku munsi wa kangahe wa 13 aba amasaha n'iminota 15
fellow citizens. And let me make this clear
reka ibi mbibabwiza ukuri
for the cheap seats. If on this show I died for the two things I believe in,
muri isho napfira ibintu bibiri nize
my wife
mugore wanje
and my kid,
n'umwana wanje twenyine
and everyone else can fuck off.
Ibindi byose n'undi wari we wese baragapfa hakuno tu hari kampeni yatangiye Richards lives up bose bari kumuburana rishara agomba kubaho aje hakuna abantu bari kureba free share ya televiziyo kino kiganiro The Running Man waza kureberamo nk'abandi bose do.
She rolled the dice on a very public appearance at the Holy Grail Casino.
Wa mukobwa na wahana ari gukina urusimbi do. Mukobwa ari gukina urusimbi ski keza nasanga mukobwa umukobwa hakuno nagiye cyamamare kazi umukobwa arabizarika abahigi bamugezeho nawe aracika ya mukobwa wundi nawe uri gukina amasigazi umukobwa arabacike wana n'abacike mu baginga umukobwa yari kureba Ben Richards ari kureba kunyabaho umukobwa muri akari iki niki kirano bafata pose oya.
Not so fast, Miss Laughlin. No blaze of glory for you. Just candle fizzling out.
Aje kumufata baramutwika nawe.
Now, I know
yarabibonye.
Bobby T, you didn't get the kill.
Bobby T agari we bamwishe.
We didn't.
Nta nubwo ari twe twamwishe.
Hey there.
Ibyana nibyo byamwishe.
Jeff and Cheetah, brave defenders of their community.
Abahanga barinda societe.
Overtake.
Sorry, hunters. All you managed to kill was my vibe. Other kids don't drink and drive.
Ntimubizi ko abana badatwara banyweye koko. Yewana nibwo bazaga kumutwika abana.
That's some hot footage.
Abana bamutwitse ari kwifata video hasi ko yacitse.
Jeff and Cheetah will receive a lifetime
Jeff na Cheetah
supply of
ikintu tuzabahemba.
Fun Twink cereal.
Tuzajya tubahemba ibintu tuzi by'ubuzima bwabo bwose.
And then
hakuno
there was one.
Asigaye wenyine Ben Richards. Ben Richards ni usigaye. Wa murara we wacha abantu bari kumufana.
Successful contestants since season 1.
Abantu bari kumufana tugeze ku munsi wa 10 na kangahe 13 mwibuke ari ahantu ari kwerekeza.
Come on, hurry. Hunters will be out. Things are going to start ramping up. Surprised if they fire up the DNA sniffers tonight.
I don't want anything else. I don't need anyone.
Tough guy.
Is that clear?
Sanga umukecuru nawe ari kureba televiziyo umukecuru uri muri inzu kwa musore bamwereje ngo amufashe.
I'm not looking for your friends. Don't ask for an autograph.
Alfie! What if he's in dairy?
He's not in dairy, Mom.
Wasanga uyu musore ari muri izi karitsiye zacu za
Oh, it's fine. She thinks you're an actual demon, but she's fairly deaf. We can use our normal voices.
Twakoresha amajwi asanzwe ikibi nuko waza
Well, bastard.
Icyo kinyendaro mukinyice. Muyarabyo.
Hunt him down!
Muhige imbwa. Napfuye.
She used to be a kind, clever woman.
Yahoze ari umugore mwiza w'umwana mwiza mama.
This is where it all happens.
Aha byose byabereye.
Amateur lab for making handcrafted soap, as far as you know.
Hakuno ari laboratoire iri hano.
Normal, non-revolutionary literature. Wink, wink.
Kumusobanurira.
My harmless community newsletter.
Hano niho nandikira ibinyamakuru byanjye.
So,
hot dogs.
What's a DNA sniffer?
Arya mukanya kuvuze ngo DNA sniffer ni iki? Hey.
Black ops scanners that ID highly fragile.
Ni blackers zikora ariko zitemewe
minute strands of DNA.
Uburyo bagenda baguhiga bakoresheje DNA zawe noneho.
These things are hidden in every street lamp across the country, which is why you
igihugu cyose kikaba kiri kuguhiga.
Gotta get underground ASAP.
Ariyo mpamvu iyo bitangiye ubukeneye kuja ahantu munsi y'ubutaka vuba cyane byihuse iyo batangiye gukoresha DNA sniffers. Sniffers ubundi to sniff nuguhunahuna kwa kundi mbwa zigenda zihunahuna. DNA sniffers rero ni amamashini bagenda bakoresha arimo amadrone harimo n'ibindi bintu byesitaye ku muhanda ku buryo aho uciye hose bahita babona warning bagendeye kuri DNA zawe. Rero ukeneye kujya hehe kujya munsi y'ubutaka nko mu buvumo cyangwa
Man, if you want to ask, just ask.
Mwana niba aricyo ushaka kumbaza kimbaza.
What is that? What's a hot dog cart?
Kiriya gikati cyanditseho hot dog kandi baramubujije.
My dad was a cop.
Papa yari umupolisi.
A good cop.
Yari umupolisi w'umwana mwiza.
Quit in protest when the network privatized local police.
Yasezeye akazi bitewe n'ukuntu network ari itangiye gufata abapolisi ashaka kwikorera nk'umupolisi wo muri quartier bisanzwe.
Officers should be accountable to the towns that pay them, not the government.
Yatekerezaga yuko umupolisi aba agomba gukorera abantu bamuhemba apana guverinoma imuha amategeko.
Sure as hell not some megacorp.
Yari umupolisi mwiza.
We bought the cart.
Nibwo yaje kugura iki kimashini gikora hot dogs.
Busted his ass. We never missed a meal.
Akigifite ntitwigeze tubwirirwa cyangwa tuburara.
Better an honorable hot dog vendor than a crooked goon.
Yaragiye yicururiza hot dogs kurusha kubi bandi rikorera leta.
But his friends who signed on with the NCG didn't appreciate his choices.
Ariko abapolisi bari bamaze gusinira NCG bakoranaga nawe ntabwo bigeze bishimira ko yari abavuyemo agiye gucuruza ibyo bituzi.
They let him know every chance they got. He made damn sure we were safe in this house.
Nta kindi cyabaye rero. Papa yamenye neza ko atwereje mu nzu ahantu turinzwe.
Every time he took that card out.
Buri gihe yasohokanaga kiriya kimashini agiye guhiga ibiceri.
Well, you see what it did to my mom.
Ndakeka ubonye ibyo bakoreye mama bari abapolisi.
That's what they did to my dad.
Ni nabyo bakoreye data rero.
His buddies on the force never solved the case. They're the ones who killed him. But you can't kill an idea.
Muzehe bakimara kumwica abamwishe abapolisi bakoranaga nawe ntabwo bigeze bagerageza kugira gute gushaka uwamwishe cyangwa se ngo abiryozwe.
Dad was their worst.
Ikindi kintu na kimwe bigeze babikora ariko buriya wakwica igitera wakwica ikibimutera.
A free man with a conscience.
Data yego yari ameze nk'umuntu babangamira ariko byangumye.
And everything they destroyed in him lives on in me.
Buri kintu barimbuye cyari muri data gisigaye kiba muri njye.
A nuclear blast.
Bimeze nk'ari igisasu kindimo kizaturika.
It never burns out.
Ariko kitaraturikira hano hanze. Hanyuma.
Monster.
Tumwemo kuri iyi monster sha.
I'm good.
Oya meze neza. Monster ni energy drink nka kuriya wumva ngo super commando bayita super commando hari gimwe regisi yamamaza.
You can't outrun fate. You cannot.
Kuno batangiye kumwohereza nawe. Ntago washika ikigomba kukubaho. Ati ibyo ntago ari ukuri. Yashiramo hano.
Before he was killed, Dad refurbed this Cold War shelter he found in a nearby forest. I have a detailed map for how to get there. You can survive down there for 3 years, but you'll need it for 2 weeks. Reshoot the rest of your tapes tomorrow.
Amatapes yose cyangwa se amakasete uzakenera kugira ngo ukomeze wohereze mu minsi isigaye.
What do you think?
Tekereza iki dushutingiye kuri ishusho ya Che Guevara. Iyi ngiyi seyo.
Maybe just white.
Kwa shutingiye ku y'umweru. Iyi ngiyi. Ni nayo kubita ku mutima sha.
You can be arrested just for having the truth in your house. So these won't be distributed until right after you win.
What the hell?
It's a special issue on the network's most heinous crimes.
What to do with me?
A bomb's chemicals hold great power. But without an initiator to make it go boom, it's harmless. You know why they cheered for you down there? They think you just might win. And if you can survive against those chemicals...
What the hell?
It's a special issue on the network's most heinous crimes.
What does that have to do with me?
A bomb's chemicals hold great...
Be
distributed until right after you win.
What
the hell?
It's a special issue on the network's most heinous crimes.
What is that? What have to do with me?
Chemicals hold great power. But without an initiator to make it go boom, it's harmless. You know why they cheered for you down there? They think you just might win. You can survive against those goons, so can they. People have had it. This country's ready to blow. And you're the
iki gihugu kimeze nkaho cyiteguye guturika akanya kari ko kose ariko ni wowe mbarutso ni wowe gishirira.
I'm not the initiator.
Reka ntago ngende imbarutso nta gishirira kindi mo ndakuyana.
I'm a guy trying to get back to his family.
Ngende umugabo uri kugerageza gusubira ku muryango.
It's you against the world either way, brother.
Nubundi se kari wowe uhanganye n'isi yose icyo wakora cyose muvana.
We both.
Wabaye byombi. Umva mukecuru. Ana umukecuru nawe useka ukuntu utamenya.
My mom thinks the bathroom across the hall is haunted, so that's all you.
Mama yaravuze ngo ntaga azahagaruka ngo harimo amadayimoni ubwo nahawe honyine hari haunted.
The light in the hallway is off. She's asleep.
Mukecuru araryamye humura. Muso.
I appreciate what you're doing.
Nagushimira ibyo uri gukora.
But if they find out you helped me, those same goons that got your dad.
Ariko nibaramuka bamenye kuri kumfasha amabandi yishe papa wawe.
They'll come for you.
Nawe bazaguhiga.
You can help.
Kwereka.
This message is for Kathy.
Ibyumweru bigaye bibiri.
In case you see this.
Injebo kimaze kuba 52,000 by'idolari. Ibyo mbonye niki cyanasinze. Ebe ibyumweru bibiri.
This message is for Kathy.
Iyi ni message nohereje Kathy 52,000 hatariho ya bonus y'amabandi yishe.
In case you see this someday. I wanted to impart a little dad advice.
Nura mukubonye aka kantu umunsi muzamenye kari inama papa yakugiriye.
Rule 1.
Tegeko rya mbere mwana wanje.
Take care of your mom. She's your best friend.
Uzite kuri mama wawe n'inshuti yawe.
Rule 2.
Tegeko rya kabiri.
Bullies are cowards.
Guserereza abandi n'ubugwari. Umuntu najya guserereza ujye umwishyura.
Rule 3.
Tegeko rya gatatu.
Can be kind and strong at the same time.
Waba umwana mwiza kandi ukaba n'umuntu ukomeye icyarimwe byakunda. Nanyu.
Rule 4.
Tegeko rya
Don't trust the network.
Ntuzizere network cyasaba abantu bakora ibi bintu.
Ever. And Rule 5.
Tegeko rya gatanu mwana wanje.
You remember, your dad loves you a whole lot.
Ujye wibuka ko papa agukunda kandi cyane.
I'll be looking for you. No matter what.
Nzakomeza ngushakisha ahantu uzajya hari hose mwana wanje. Cyabi cyane cyo cyose. Ujye hano mukecuru aramubona. Nari mbizi kari wowe.
Murderer.
Wacicanye.
Stay away from my elder.
Ujye kure y'umwana wanje mukecuru. Mukecuru.
You'll never eat puppies again.
No. Ugiye cyajya gukanda ku muruza. Ihuruza bari abantu baza gwigwa umusore mukecuru.
Ma'am.
Mukecuru.
If you press that button, the NCG will come and fire.
NCG baraza.
Okay, they will not care who gets caught in the crossfire.
Ntago bari buze kuvuga ngo ni nduri isasu riri bufate.
Be a bloodbath.
Harabari ugukaraba amaraso.
And every goon in the state coming through that door, right?
Niba rero udakeneye ko baza baturutse hari.
Don't.
Ntuhakande. Uyahita yikandira.
What crime would you like to report?
Ni icyaha kimushaka gutanga ni polisi wamagana.
Ben Richards just broke into my home.
Ben Richards yanyinjiriye mu nzu. Mama yakubonye ubundi yari kubikora wino tujede mwana.
5 minutes to fight with these guys.
Yene minota 5. Mbere yuko bari abajinga bagera hano.
Grab your stuff, I'll get the zines.
Fata ibintu byawe nanjye ngira ibyo negure wana dore mukecuru wana. Aha. Arahiye yaje hakunahita fata mapu. Fata ibice byose apakira yihuse.
It's dangerous.
Ntabwo uri kumva mama ibi ni bibi.
Get in the safe room.
Mama ajya mu cyumba gifite umutekano. Nshaka kubona uriya mujinga bamwica. Nshaka kumubona bamwica. Yararahiye yarahagiye. Humekera hejuru. Dododo. Bahageze. Faya. Bahageze bakiba. Tabazi sansuri ravuga sinzi ariko. Dododo. Sansuri ravuga. Sansuri ryaravuze. NCG bahageze. NCG ni leta ikorana n'abande. Mama. Arimo hano muri koridoro kino kigoryi niko kiri Nyagasani. Mukecuru ndeka ngende mwana wanjye reka ngende. Nshaka kureba ariko yahita afungirana umukecuru. Ngwino hano mwana ngwino hano tugende. Nabikora igihe mwana ahantu hatariho twe turi hano. Hakuno biteze ibintu utamenya by'ibitsinga by'ibishanyarazi biteza za hakuno ufatira imbunda irasa amazi.
Are you crazy?
Asura umusazi mwana.
We don't have time to play games.
Ntagiye dufite cyo gukina imikino.
Yes, we do.
Turagifite.
Fastest the hunters ever arrived on scene was 4 minutes 30 seconds.
Umuhigi wa mbere ugera hano yihuse arahagera mu minota 4 n'amasegonda 30.
We'll be long gone by that.
Twe turaba twagiye kare. Ababica hakuno NCG. Nk'abapolisi bo ntago ari abahigi.
Hey big boys!
Abagiye nyampinga mwe muze turi hakuno aza hano uyu twabonye yateze ibintu by'ibishanyarazi arabanza pompa imbunda amazi arazamura yebe aca hakuno yarabareba arasa amashanyarazi abahereza bene wabo abaha bene wabo abaha bene wabo Chengundi inyama ziriho n'agafiriti wacikwa ryose ziriho n'inyama wokeje twagiye yagira gutya shyiraho rezano twagiye ca mu gikuta ndarakurikira umusore inzu ye yipanze atuje agica muri reza bahita babatwika twagiye zamuka hejuru sinzi ariko barakurikiye kubera iki turi hejuru mwana kandi bazamuka kuri esikariye sinzi umusore kira gutya kururano esikariye zijugunya abagabo umusore inzu ye yipanze atuje one Elton ni kubera iki turi kuzamuka hejuru aho kumanuka zahapuno kubera ibi ngibi.
You brought us up here so you could slide down a pole. I brought us
Zanyano kugira ngo tumanukire kuri iki cyuma.
So we could slide down.
Nkuzanyano kugira ngo tumanukire kuri iki cyuma nyine. Agitinda amasasa aravuga ngagiye icyamamare. Nawe ahita amanuka do.
4 minutes flat.
Sinakubwiye iminota ine. Kubwiye ngo twagiye kare.
We are still in the gap.
Turacyari muri iyi nzu twagiye hehese. Twagiye. Azakuna kura cya kimashini cya hot dogs zamura hakuno kumbe mu hano harimo inzira. Ihinguka munsi y'iki? Munsi y'inzu harimo ubuvumo mo hasi mu nzu.
Tactical flashlight. Pretty powerful.
Yeah.
Come on.
Mwana. Kugera hano kumba abahigi bagezemo. Elton akigera hano umuhigi yahise amutaba.
I'm gonna sever your Achilles and drag you outside. Chief wants to end your run in person.
Chef garashaka kwirangirira.
Camera.
Kuri kamera. Uratse. Kigabo. You nawe. Mubaga mu kiganza. Baga mu kiganza. Musore. Sinzi. Iragurikira ariko. Zinga hakuno ibyazinga. Fatira urwembe hano ni urwembe. Kati kigabo munsi wakaguru cyewe. Ewe. Ufatira imbunda. Musa wagwani.
Don't let him answer that.
Natuma yitabiri ya telefone arayita.
Still there?
Aracyari cyane. Mumereze. Fatasha. Ibiri nete hano.
There he is.
Ndakubona umusa bimeze bite.
Mr. Richards, you are killing it.
Killing it.
Kubikora kabisa.
People are dying, you fucking psychopath.
Abantu bari gupfa musazi we.
If you could fake everything, why do you...
Ibintu byose wabasha kubifeka nkuko wafetse zira video.
Just fake the whole show.
Show bundi yo wayifetse.
Believe me, we have tried.
Twarabigerageje.
That special unpredictable spark.
Ariko abantu hari ukuntu bagira gutya bagashyiramo akamaninyeri nyine utamenya rugaturutse.
Lives for these happy accidents.
Abantu bagashimishwa nabyo.
A little advice?
I'll pass.
Reka nkugire inama.
Make sure my family gets some money.
Jeni napfa mumenye neza ko umuryango wanjye uzabona ibiciro. Richards wigenda ariko.
You can still win this game, but you have to play it smart.
Uyu mukino wawe utsinda ariko ugomba kuwukina n'ubwenge.
Send a rover into that tunnel.
Nohereje kamera muri iyo tunnel.
Finish off that hunter. Wait for my cue to exit.
Nagize umuhigi hanyuma umbwire nkwereke inzira uri busohokere.
You want me to off one of your own guys?
Uragira ngo ndangize umwe mu basore bawukoresha.
It's all good Freevee.
Byose abari sawereka kuri Freevee.
Okay, on you.
Freevee ni asheni nyine abantu babibona babona ari show.
5, 4, 3,
gutya. Na imbunda.
1.
Amasegonda 5 na 3 rimwe. Arasigi kamera hosh.
Get in.
Hakuno. Shiramo
What about the door?
Umuryango urafunze. Amaze twagiye bikicyuke. Umuryango ufunze. Imodoka bicometsemo hano. Cometse mu kimodoka sinzi ariko. Ariya mwana hakurya. Manuka hakuno mu ishyamba sinzi ariko. Yana yimbwa. Mwana wa maraya badukurikiye bazanye imbunda. Ambuka kiriya kiraro bari unsiga. Jemba sigasi nyuma makerereza. Ibintu by'ibisasu utamenya.
Survival is the win.
Urokoka niko gutsinda hakuno. Kata hano. Mwana sinzi ariko. Filime n'imbara nayirebye bakiniye mu bwirizo mbe butisha.
Remember?
You're the initiator.
Wibuke mwana wumeze nkaho uri imbarutso umusore bakigenda isasu riramurya. Isasu ryaramuriye. Makon uhiji mukuru bimeze bite se? Iza gucakana gira ikimodoka arabanza aragikata. Richard Green Light mu mwica umubona mwice. Green Light yatanzwe. Hiji hakuno. Sorry baramubona. Aha ni u Rwanda ruherera Richard nta handi ho kwirukanya rufite. Jendi imbarutso. Amen initiator. Jewe kabitera ubundi nijya kabitera. Kandi nica gitera iki kibimutera kandagira imodoka yuzuye ibisasa arangije agira gutya arayijabuka. Kabum! Musore! Manuka cyo yicomeka amazi. Bahita bamwongera ibihumbi 100 by'umuhigi yishe.
The hunt. Can you feel it?
Muri kubyumva mwe musina yisagaruka mu kirori.
Your heart beats faster.
Wa 17 niho tugeze noneho dore ibyo bohereje biri kumuhigato. Ibipfaru.
It's no game.
Uyu mukino ntago ukiri umukino.
Life and death are on the line.
Bisa nkaho ari ubuzima n'urupfu noneho biri ku murongo umwe.
You feel it, Mr. Richards?
Kubyumva Mr. Richards?
Congratulations.
Félicitations.
You took out a hunter.
Wishe umuhigi. Hantu y'umwishe w'abari ibihumbi 100.
Now it's down to 4 of them.
Ubu hasigaye abahigi bane gusa.
Plus every citizen of this great nation.
Konge abene igihugu b'iki gihugu.
5 paces west of Big Rock.
Hakuno yararebye banza reba kuri amapanu bamurangiye ngo hari ubuvumo kureba hakurya harahindutse. Kubyumva murata muri kubihumurirwa.
The acrid stink of fear as the prey animal realizes he's surrounded by predators.
Uko inyamaswa iri guhigwa iyo imaze kumenya ko yazengurutswe n'impigi zihiga.
Reality sinks in as he scurries to hide.
Bwabwoba bwatumaga ijya kwihisha buyishira.
Desperately hoping to survive.
Icanganyo cyo n'ukundi ribuze kurokoka.
He already knows it's too late.
Ariko muri indani bibizi yuko nyine yamaze gukerererwa ntaho gucikira. Kubera ko
This is America, goddammit.
Iyi ni Amerika nta hantu waducikira. Nta bikora gitujya twemera tu. Gabo hakuno yirukanse ntako atagize.
Richard chose this path.
Richard yahisemo inzira yo
to show him where it ends.
Rero ni inshingano zayo kumwerekana iyo nzira yiribuze kurangira tu. Richard yageze mu mujyano. Hige nyana yibwa mu yici. Umuhige hakuno. Hey. Aje hakuno. Arananiwe. Byamaze iminsi amaze agenda do. Yaguye agacuho. Kwiyenge kagatagahita gwa agacuho. Kamwireho nimba ari kurota nimba ari iki sinzi. Reba ariya mwana wanjye.
I told you I'd get you out of there.
Sinakubwiye ko nzakuvana hano ha.
People on this show never come back.
Kibazo nuko abantu bagiye muri kino kirori bakaja bagaruka. Gamukereyeho. Nimba twakita ikirori, nimba twakita amarushanwa, nimba twakita iki. Ni show ica kuri televiziyo yitwa Free
Is a message for Killian.
Buno butumwa kuri Killian.
Hey Dan.
Vadan, MC.
I'm starting to get how this game works.
Natangiye kumenya ukuntu uyu mukino ukorwa.
It's not about me winning or losing.
Nimba itari ngiye ngo ndatsinda cyangwa ndatsindwa.
It's about your ratings. About how much chaos I can cause.
Byibura n'amanota mu mpani ibibazo ndi buteze.
I'm taking this thing all the way to the end.
Yabasigiye kimwe cyaki kaseta ya namwe mu kijana. Yarakaye.
And I'm done playing defense, I promise you that.
Ndambe gukomeza kwigira nkaho ndi kwirinda. Oya.
So here's the deal.
Dore deal ikurikiyeho rero.
I will see my family again.
Ngiye gushaka uburyo nzongera kubona umuryango wanjye.
And as long as they keep getting paid.
Kandi mu gihe cyose umuryango wanjye ukishyurwa.
You can put whoever you want in front of me. I will
uzanyohereza uwo mushaka uwo ari we wese.
Run through all of them.
Nzabacamo kandi nzabatsinda nzabemeza. Yaje hakuno dore za DNA tracker sniffers. Za DNA sniffers yaraje araziyereka.
Bitch.
I'm from slum side.
Let's
throw the rule book out.
Mutually
profitable annihilation. You want a show?
Okay.
You a show.
Americanos. Let's do this.
We interrupt the Americanos. Update from the
The bar is done.
Take the next back road north. Your battery is 93%.
If you don't back this car up, right now. Muhanda modoka zaje ni nyinshi sinzi ariko Yesu Kristo
self-driving cars
recalculating
kureba hakuno
keep it pointed north
komeza uje mu majyaruguru
all the way to the border
paka ku mupaka
go ahead say what you got to say
muko mbwira ibyo ushaka kumbwira ndabona waraka kubera iki
You can go crazy and kill me?
kugira ngo usarunyice se
No.
Oja ntabyo ngubwiye
you have 1 minute
sigaranye umunota umwe kugira ngo uvuge wibohoye waba
Live with yourself.
ubundi ubayehute
You dare sit there and criticize my driving?
wicaye hano uri kunshira imanza ngo ntwara nabi
How to operate my own car?
unyigisha uko ntwara imodoka yanjye
Member of society.
nanjye none umenye ko ndi muri bamwe bategura rero ari amarushanwa nanjye ndi umumember wa society.
You disgust me.
uri igisebo uransebye.
You abandoned that starving baby.
wataye umwana nkuriya wishwe n'inzara.
Horrible wife of yours.
nuriya mugore wawe umeze kuriya.
So you can what?
kugira ngo bigende
kill people for money?
kugira ngo wice abantu ubona amafaranga.
Only kill the best people.
ikibabaje nuko wagiye wica abantu beza gusa.
Protect us from
abantu baturinda.
wealth like you.
baturinda ibirura nkawe.
That's not a word I use.
ubundi iryo si ryo jambo nagakoresheje. gira gutya.
That is my family.
uyu niwo muryango wanjye wa mugore we. muryango wanjye
we came up for the park. Watched Kathy try ice cream for the first time.
nimwe nigeze kujya muri park ndeba umwana wanjye ari kugerageza kurya ice cream bwa mbere.
That was the best day of my life.
wari wo munsi wa mbere mwiza mu buzima bwanjye.
Right.
navuga ukuri
ko. Oh, is so fake.
iriya show ni fake turi.
Not the bullets. Not the death.
ariko amasasa arimo si fake. n'impfu zirimo si fake.
Just the part that makes people like you think
nicyo gituma abantu nkawe
you're better.
utekereza ko muri abantu beza kuturusha.
How much was that?
reka ngira ikintu mubaza
scarf?
iyo furari wambaye mu ijosi iyo scarf igura ngahe?
Huh?
mbwira se.
More than the meds my daughter needed when she was
igura amafaranga menshi kurusha amafaranga y'imiti umwana wanjye yari akeneye aho kugira ngo yicwe n'umusonga.
The flu.
umusonga uri kubyumva. flu ni umusonga cyangwa ibintu by'ibicurane bigendana gutyo.
Human life hanging around your neck.
ubwo ni ubuzima bw'umwana w'umuntu buziritse mu ijosi ryawe.
You seem to be doing fine.
ariko n'ubundi se ko mbona umeze neza.
Who can blame you? It's a nice scarf.
ninde wabigushinze se ko wambaye agafurari keza?
Not of that person.
Not start crying.
oya witangira kurira.
I will shoot us both if you start crying.
nutangira kurira ndirasa nawe nkurasa.
When it's over.
biye byo kurira byararangiye mu shiraho kigali we
for an emergency vehicle. Nice.
Disable it. Disable it. Do not pull on.
babashyirisha ku ruhande kandi bimodoka bigezweho ziriya modoka zanyu mwirwa mugura ngo naguze ngo Kia ngo Kenus ngo naguze ngo Prius. reba imodoka byanyu bire electronique tuzajya tubibabikisha ku ruhande. hakuno polisi yamukubise ubuduha imodoka ijya yishyira ku ruhande. ikizo imodoka ziba zesitaye ntabwo wayitwara.
You have successfully yielded. Nice.
hakuno kigali we.
Hey, Richards.
Richards we.
Pulled over by the Rustic Rock Militia Boys.
washyizwe ku ruhande natwe barara bita Rustic Rock Militia Boys.
We're here securing our homestead in the
twe
next.
dushinzwe umutekano wo muri iyi karitsiye duhagarariye netwa. wigira icyazo rata sheri wacu w'umukobwa.
Step out of the car.
weva mu modoka.
You'll be safe with us.
uraza ko ufite umutekano uri kumwe nawe.
Him we want.
uwo niwe dushaka. yabitekerejeho. sawa igendere muko igendere. umukobwa atarava mu modoka abagabo hari uwabahaye. hari drone yaje do nyagasani hey turone n'imivuye ni ibiki biri kuba
Producers just killed network militia.
Aba producer b'iyisho nibo bishe iriya network aho kugira ngo bice njyewe sibyo bishe abakozi ba network.
Those men were just trying to protect me from you.
Bari abagabo bageragezaga kundinda bakundinda.
What's it gonna take for you to get? I'm not the best.
Ese ubundi wemera gusaba iki kugira umenye ko ntari umwana mubi gafatwa imbundu ndasi.
Take the car. Drive away. I don't want to hurt you.
You think
that imodoka utware sinshaka kukwica ugenda umva imbere.
You'll let you walk after seeing that?
Urakeka bari buze kukureka ugende nyuma yo kubona biriya se.
Show now.
Nawe bamaze kugushyira muri show wayigeze.
I'm not.
Ojana kunyiri.
And this time he's got a hostage.
Richard aracyariho kandi afite imfungwa. Bita Amelia Williams.
27-year-old realtor.
Imyaka 27 uturuka muri Bango. Mwamfashije ariko batangira kugaragaza afite umukobwa atigeze yifata ngari gusakuza. Nawe urakaza neza muri running man turi kumwe mada.
This continues. Williams Alpine heads north on Rustic Rock sighting road. The NCG to go into full tactical alert.
Turn it off.
And kidnapped.
Richard umusani we wacu rata umusani we wacu abantu afite umufana kubigesho yatangiye kubona umufana sinabyiza amabanda ari imbere mwana amabanda ari imbere mwana bari kugenda banamurangirana n'amabanda amutekereje ari iyo watangiye kubona amanota abantu bagukunze barakureka baba bakuretse babaretse
kukureka. We play our parts to let us pass.
Dukora ibyo tugomba gukora bari baratureka tugende. Rebe hakuno.
Okay.
Amabandi yabateze.
I'm not going to shoot.
Apana bahije basigaye niba bafitemo nandi mabandi kwa.
Do it live.
Do what live?
Kiago babikola live. Bakora ibikiza kunyica. Mupanure barabapanurira.
Why are they cheering for you when I'm the hostage?
Kubera icyo bari kugwinzira kandi ndi imfungwa.
Unbelievable.
Hakuno.
You give me the gun.
Wamere jombo ndamuko. Kubera iki ntayigo.
Obviously the hero.
Nundi mbona wabaye intwari. Ngaho yimerero nyizeye.
I don't think we're going to need this anymore.
Ndakeka imbuga tutakikeneye. Arayijugunya.
Oh my god. I just saw Ben Richards.
Mananje mbonye Ben Richards.
I'm sorry. Wait.
Babarire iki?
I am Ben Richards.
Ije Ben Richards.
You don't want to be the reason Amelia dies.
Niba mudashaka impamvu Amelia ari bupfe dore ibyo bari kwereka abantu kandi si byo birimo.
Get this message to Killian.
Ubu butumwa mubuhereze Killian.
Please. You heard the lady.
Yitishije umugore do. Ewana ukana mwana umusa running mwana umugabo yamaze kwigarurira fan base afite umupfana wurusha. Ya equipe yambara umweru n'ubururu. Ya equipe nzova fan. Okay. Anko elephant bageze akuno dora bahije do. Ebe. Segurcha. Fatira hakuno ka megafone.
Before you murder us.
Bere uko mutwica.
Make up some bullshit why it had to be done.
Ubanze mwumvikanisha impamvu byagombaga kuba.
Look at all these people who know the truth.
Mureba abantu bose bari hano bamaze kumenya
ukuri. Kill all of them? Because I am.
Muri ready yo kubica ariko nge ndi ready.
I'm holding on to this bullhorn with my right hand.
Kabako kanje k'iburyo gafashe imbarutso.
Left hand is in my front pouch.
Na imini akabako kanje k'iburyo gafashe megafone akibumoso gafashe imbarutso iri mu mufuka.
Wrapped around 12 pounds of Black Irish.
Iyo mbarutso izengurutse igisasu cyo mu bwoko bwa Black Irish. Barikanga.
When I used to work at Network Public Utility,
yikora muri Network Public Utility.
Get these 2-ton fatbergs. Take less than $1,000 to blow those up.
Nibwo namenye ko bisaba amagarama make kuba waturitse ikintu kingana n'urugamba. None mwibaze pound 10.
Is everything in a half-mile radius.
Naturitse ibintu byose biri hano muri hafi kimwe cya kabiri cya mile. Ngo ni nko muri metero nka 700 gutyo. Abantu barikanga.
BF-E20 is the most highly regulated industrial explosive.
Ni ibisasu bisoka ku mubare.
But even set foot in a state that sells it.
Nta nubwo bijya ku isoko ngo bigurishwe. Nta nibibi na.
Molly didn't tell you everything.
Umenya Morali katara kubwiye ibintu byose kandi mwibuke kwa Mori hari ko ku bwoko bw'ibyo bisasu mwibuka mubwira ngo wabasha kureba hari.
I got my finger stuck in the detonator ring and it's on half cock.
Aya ngubwire yuko mfite urutoki rufashe mu mbarutso.
So, I want one of those big, fancy flying V airplanes.
Niyo mpamvu nkeneye indege nziza kandi ihenze.
2 auto shoots.
Nkeneye n'imitaka ibiri, 2 auto shoots.
To Amelia at the bottom of the ramp.
Muyihereza uyu mukobwa.
Shoots are sabotage.
Kandi iyo mitaka murana mukamuyangije mukayipfumura.
If you make any sudden moves,
mukagira cyangwa ikindi kintu cy'ubugoryi mu.
You know, back those trucks up and let me on that tarmac right fucking now.
Ni mutavana n'ibyo bikamyo byanyu none ndabaturitse.
Boom.
I'll just see you in hell and laugh in your face.
Hanyuma twese duturike tumanuke tugere ikuzimu nitugerayo ngenza ngusekere mu maso. Usigaranye umunota umwe wonyine.
Shouldn't take long.
Ntago biri butinde.
He's got a direct line to the boss.
Buri ari kuhamagara boss ndabizi.
Last chance to run.
Niyo mahirwe yanyu ngo wiruke mwana. Oya.
You made me feel like I'm the bad guy.
Watumye numva ndi umuntu mubi koko.
Now I have to prove I'm not.
Rero ngomba kukwereka ko ntari umuntu mubi. Gufasha. Ibyo se birakumarira iki?
You're not the one I'm trying to prove it to.
Arubwo sari wowe uri kugerageza kubigaragaza bigutwaye iki?
So I am.
Ufite umupango ki? Umureka tambu.
Your handbag is a bomb.
Ugiye kubumbisha akavuga sakoshi kawe ari igisasu ufite mu mufuka. Dore twebwe dugurutse indege twigendere mu Canada.
Out the back door and wait out the clock.
Kindi cyabaye ababayise bakomeza indege barayibaza n'ibishyushye. Paka indege maze kwambuka umupaka.
What if they call your bluff?
You make sure they know it's real.
Hanyuma se nibaramuka bavuze kuri gukina ntibemere kari igisasu. Nyine ugomba kugaragaza kari.
Freak out. Curse, scream. Call me the worst names possible. Just everything bad. It's all good freebie. When McCone hands you the shoots,
I won't have to act.
You grab a gun, you'll know it's time to go off.
Afashe imbunda yuriya mugabo ngo ni Makone umenye ko ari cyo gihe cyo kwigira umusazi. Do yaje afashe mwana ukuba afite magasakoshi bagira ngo ni igisasu do.
Oh, I think you're the guy who stops me from seeing my daughter again.
Wantekerezaga ko ari we mugabo uri bumbuze kujya kureba umwana wanjye nanone. Show iratangira saa 2. Ca mu ndege.
Take your mask off.
Nago ja mu ndege utaravana icyo gikaske ngo ngurebe na audience y'abantu bari kureba nabo bakureba. Komeza urote. Kora ibyo akubwiye. Ngo kora ibyo akubwiye boss arategetse. Kora ibyo akubwiye. Mugabo uri hano ngo ni Makone. Hanyuma hano. Kumbi. Umusa bimeze bite wagwana.
Show starts at 8.
Kirori kiratangira saa 2 shaka uje mu ndege tugende ibindi ubu byihoreye.
Mr. Richards, to the Net Air.
Akaza neza kuri Net Air Flying V.
The ultimate in private travel.
Kuno ni ndege iri private.
Safety features. This is first class comfort.
First class comfort. Nakwicara no hakuno.
And enjoy the most relaxing flight of your life.
Welcome aboard, Mr.
Kaza neza mu ndege Mr. Richards.
Holloway.
Banyita Captain Holloway.
Excuse me if I don't shake your hand.
Bare kuba nta gukora mu ntoki.
That's First Officer Dunninger.
Uyu ni officer wa mbere Dunninger.
Navigation Officer Donahue to your
Uriya ni Navigation Officer Donahue. Uri bumoso bwawe.
You're missing one.
Komba namubura mu mwese.
Hey Captain.
Aba bagabo arabazi n'abahiji yabishe mu mwe muri bo. Yaramwishe we yageze mana ahita babona abahiji nibo bagiye kumutwara.
Laboratories around this rust bucket?
4.
6. Why don't you check them all for stowaways? Laboratories around this rust bucket?
Hakuno. Kuri last bucket harimo laboratories zinga.
4.
Enye.
6.
Esheshatu.
You check them all for stowaways.
Kubera iki mutabashije
What's up on me?
Yagira umuntu nyinjira akaza kuniga ntareba.
It's gonna be a real short ride.
Urugendo rurahita ruba rugufi. Iri joro sugiye he?
Plot a route over the richest homes from here to Canada.
Turi buce hejuru y'inzu z'abakire ariko tujya muri Canada.
Fly as low as you can. Let me
mugendere hasi mu buryo bushoboka.
As you wish.
Unambwire ni haba hasigaye iminota 10 ngo tugere muri Canada. Uko bidusabye n'abahija babaga barabazi. Kindi cyabaye bahagurukije indege. Za ndege zigezweho. Ko mwandanje aga private jet ko kugura we.
Feel free to move about the cabin.
Richards, 6 minutes to showtime.
Inota 6 y'igiciro rigitangire.
Where they clear me to blow your head off in front of a couple billion people.
Nta biryo ushaka mbere yuko nkubarura umutwe abantu bose bareba amabiliyoni n'amabiliyoni.
You know, you should really put some makeup on before the show starts.
Wabanje witera ka makeup mbere yuko show itangira.
Let's go.
You want to go? We can all go, right?
Ako nibyo ushaka sikari we.
Do it, tough guy.
Bikore se musore.
See if I twitch.
Show him the bomb!
Aso I ready to igisasu kugira ngo basi cyangwa basi mabuja sikigari we bwanu ku mukobwa bwanu ku mukobwa ashazi gukira kandi nta gisasu afite umukobwa nanabizi tuza
If I offer you an amnesty deal and an exit visa.
waretse nkakwemerera ibintu bishoboka ukava muri ibi bintu tukagwana visa
Nothing but a Halloween costume.
we nta cyo uricyo usibye kuba uri inzangiraho
You can't offer me shit.
we nta kintu wampa
Mr. Richards.
koko Richards nta kintu yaguha koko boss ahita ahamagara
But I can.
ariko cyari icyo nakwemera
How about I offer you a deal?
waretse nkagwa deal
You tell your hunters in the cockpit
banza ubwire bariya bahigi bawe bari muri cockpit
to do what I tell them.
ubabwire bakora icyo babwiye cyangwa se iki kidege gituritse.
And I admire your commitment to the bit, but we're short on time, so
ubabarire kuba nari nemeye ko dukorana ariko igihe kiri kudushirana.
I'll be blunt.
ubu nta kindi nyine ndamutse ntinze byarangira bihobeye.
No, you're bluffing.
ndanabizi kuri gukina.
The Flying V Mark II has
iyi ndege Flying V Mark II
scanners built into
ifite scanners ku muryango winjira twabisikaninze.
been wildly entertaining.
twabibonye birashimishije biranasekeje.
Amelia, her lovely handbag back.
ahubwo mukobwa ngo ni Amelia yamusubizaga kapuke. zimwumiraho harimo indege mu ndege uzema abicanyi. karabaye mama we karabaye mama we Evan hoya
Safety that weapon, sir. Evan, are
iyo mbunda yishyiraho harinzwe.
You insane?
Evan uri
The
umusazi.
show hasn't even started.
iki kirori ntikiranatangira.
Hand over your gun and go to the back of the jet.
tanga iyo mbunda usubire mu ndege.
Thank you. You can remain there until I say otherwise.
tegereze mpaka igihe ndibuze kuvugira ibindi.
I need a moment to have a word with Mr. Richards.
Iri akanya banze ganira Mr. Richards. hari ibintu nshaka tuganiraho kandi mwibanga. bahita bamuzamurira screen hakuno n'intege bahita bayihindukiza n'akaye kutera.
It wasn't too long ago that someone with my job thought it was more important to force some hypocritical moral message down society's throat than to simply entertain them.
hari yashize igihe kinini ntaza n'umuntu mu kazi umeze nkaho ubasha kuryohereza rubanda kandi nanjye nkakubonamo ibyo nshaka.
They forgot about the power of illusion, the power
abantu bamaze kwirengagiza bamaze kwibagirwa imbaraga zo kubona ibidahari.
of the star, which is what you are, Richards.
bamaze kubona imbaraga z'umustar ari we bamaze kuba we Richards.
Why we want to offer you your own show.
niyo mpamvu tugira ngo tuguhe show yawe none. bifotorure.
Former runner.
wahoze ari wirukanka muri Running Man.
Deemed through righteous vengeance turns his life around.
ubuzima bwe bukaza guhinduka.
To become a lethal force for good.
bukaza guhinduka imbaraga z'ikiza.
Call him
ukuntu bajya bakwita
The Hunter.
bakajya bakwita The Hunter nawe ukaba umuhigi.
Advised me to pay you $5 million per season.
ndetse bodi nkorera yemeye ko tuzajya tukwishyura miliyoni 5 z'idolari kuri buri season uzajya ugaruka muri umuhigi.
Only one condition.
ariko kuri kondisiyo icara
Watch the intro.
urebe intro.
And when Bobby cues you, kill every hunter on that jet.
hanyuma wice na buri muhigi wese uri muri iyo ndege.
Mission met. I'll remote pilot you back to the studio jet
ibyo nuramuka ubirangije iyo ndege ndaza kuyitwara nyigarure kuri studio.
where the President of the United States will induct you as hunter number 6.
aho uri buze guhurira na perezida wa leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika akakugira hunter number 6 cyangwa se umuhigi nimero 6.
Title ID I'm playing with.
ire ni ikindi gitekerezo nari.
It says the revenge plot.
Revenge.
amakuru avuga ko
For what?
nihorera ikisi.
Who is gonna root for a guy who kills your national heroes?
ninde muntu uzemera kugira gute kujya areba show y'umugabo wishe intwari za.
Bullshit, Dan. Let me worry about